Hello and welcome to AC Bird's Vlog Talk. So this is a new format for my channel. In this video section I will show you some news about my channel, things that are going on and new projects I have in my mind or are just in state of production. So first I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Dirk, I'm 49 years old. I live in Münster, which is a town in Germany, and I'm a modeler since I'm 12. I'm doing YouTube now for around 2 years, and it makes a lot of fun for me to share my model projects with you. And I'm a little bit excited because this is the first time that I'm standing in front of the camera. It's the first time that I'm planning this. Editing of this video won't be so easy because the audio has to match up with my lips. But I think this is gonna be a great format for my channel and gives you some more informations and news of the stuff that's coming up. So let's just jump right in. And for May, I have a new rib saw, which is standing just above body. This black thing there, you can see it. There will be 2 videos about it. One is the unboxing and the second is a driving and the review. And I also got my new office chairs are great. Ta-da! See it? With some extra parts which improve the wheeliability of this car. This will be a big series for end of May and June this year. So these are the big things I promised you in my Easter video, and I think there will be coming up some great content the next weeks. And I hope you like this video and that it wouldn't be so bad for your ears, because I'm not a native English speaking person. But I promise you, with each video I'll get better. And I hope you like this format, and write it down in the comments. And if you even say, oh no, this is terrible, Dirk, please leave it. I really appreciate what my viewers say. And this is a big chance for me to improve the whole channel or some of the videos I make. So yes, this is a really short video. So please write down in the comments what you think about it. What can I improve? Or what is so bad that I should better leave it? I really appreciate your comments. And see you soon on AC Birds.